Hi, hail to the nature, hail to the Almighty. Perfect Backpacker welcomes you for yet another video series. I just show you my surrounding first, then I'll take you inside the video. Don't get surprised seeing me talking in English language because there is an issue. It's not a simple task to add subtitles in the YouTube videos, so I have a plan to post the upcoming videos in English language. So being the subscribers as well as my viewers, you please leave a message on comments box which language you prefer to watch my videos. Are you surprised in seeing me in the Tawny land? Would you like to know what am I doing? Very simple. I'm just grazing the cattle. See, look at the cattle over there. Look at the cattle there. So this is my part-time job. Whenever I stay in my home, I just take the cattle to the graze land and I just graze them and I earn money. That sounds really nice. It's a pleasant weather, neither rainy nor sunny, just neutral. I am really enjoying a lot today and I would like to show you a new experience in the village side. So what kind of experience is it? I'll take you there and I'll show you what is that. I really love post rainy days because they will gift with new mushrooms, especially natural mushrooms, which are always existed in the village sites. So today I have come here in search of mushroom also. So let's go and explore into many areas in search of mushroom. The project of searching mushroom takes sometimes the whole day, sometimes only 1 hour, sometimes you will not get even a single mushroom. It's just like hunting. If I am looking too dirty, please bear with this. There is no other way. Because you can't wear any coat or pyjamas in the village side. If you wear, then you will be chased by the dogs. It's very difficult. It's horrible experience. Look at these mushrooms. These mushrooms are not advisable to eat because they will cause some healthy issues. There are many varieties of mushrooms existed all over the world. Some are too poisonous, some are healthy. If you select the wrong one, survival will be a question mark. Never ever imagine this place as a trash. Actually, it's a treasure for many mushrooms. Let's go and search whether we can find out mushrooms or not. After 15 minutes of search, I was not able to find out even a single piece of mushroom. So let us relocate. Oh my god! I'm a fortunate person. I found a mushroom there. Could you see the mushroom? I just go and pluck it. Let's go. Let's come on, come on, come on. Oh wow, it's really nice. Let me pluck it and I will process and show you. Ah, slow, 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 slow. I must introduce this tree to you. It is the biggest tamarind tree in our village. The age might be more than 100 years. Could you imagine the size of the tree? It's so massive and majestic. As of now, I got only one mushroom. That is not sufficient for today's dinner. At least I need to have two more mushrooms. So let me continue my journey and let me record them. In the middle of my search, I have to take care of my cattle also. Else, by entering into others' land, they will spoil my name. Hey, hey, come on, come this side. Don't go there. It's not our boundary. Do you know she is a sweet girl and her name is Tulsi? How sweet she is. She is busy in collecting her feed. She is curiously eating. I shouldn't disturb her. Let me shoot the video alone. Yeah, I am just taking rest. Have you ever noticed a fact? The name of our channel is Perfect Backpacker. But in most of the videos, you don't see the backpacker. Okay, so this is the new backpacker I bought recently. How does the back look like? I don't think I'll get more today. Let me satisfy with this. Let us go clean it, cook it, and eat it. Now I have to keep this mushroom inside my backpack because I don't have any other covers. So there is no other way. Probably it may rain today. I could feel the symptoms. This is the month of December. It's not the season for raining, it's the season for heavy snowfall. Due to climatic changes, we could feel many differences with the weather condition. Hey, I'm back to home. I'm just driving these cattle. Reached home. Let's check whether the mushroom is in safe condition or not. Slow, slow, slow. Oh my god. Yes. Yeah, it's safe. It's safe to eat. Let's clean the mushroom before cooking. It's not really necessary, but to avoid chewing mushroom with soil, we have to. At this motor, I am searching for a fresh chili, especially green chili. Two chilies are more than enough. Yeah, mission successful. For cooking this kind of mushroom, we don't need to add any kinds of spices. Two chilies, a small piece of onion, a few crystals of salt, more than enough. This is crystal salt. Let us pour a few drops of water and then mix properly. After lighting the stove, we have to heat the frying pan. Then we shall add a few drops of oil, preferably gingerly oil. Using iron pan is better than any other pans. Mushroom is consisted of vitamin B6, vitamin D, copper, iron and few other minerals. Finally, mushroom fry is ready. I have finished cooking. I'm going to taste my own cooking. We didn't add more ingredients. At the same time, it tastes really nice. And I'm the only person who is going to eat the whole. Come on, let's have dinner with me. Mushroom is not sufficient for this food, so I have to arrange for some other things. Mm, it tastes really nice. The only thing I added more amount of chili, so little bit hot.